You're looking at unedited footage of the BOTSLAB 4K solar security camera. And yeah, that's me pretending to sneak around my own house. The reason I'm starting with this? Because this system doesn't just record you, it describes you, it tracks you, and it tells the homeowner exactly what you're doing in real time. What's up, everyone? Today I'm reviewing the BOTSLAB 4K solar security camera 4Cam kit model W510. This is a full home coverage system with 4 4K solar cameras, a HomeBase hub, no monthly fees, and some of the smartest AI features I've seen in a consumer security system. I've been testing all 4 cameras around my house for the past week, and I'm going to show you real footage, installation, AI tracking, intelligent search, and what the experience looks like in the app. Inside of the box, you get 4 4K solar-powered cameras, very sleek looking, not heavy at all. You also get 4 adjustable solar panels, the HomeBase H200, mounting hardware, charging cables, and some quick setup cards. Everything feels solid, weather sealed, and ready to live outside year-round. I installed 4 cameras on my house, so I have the front yard, backyard, and both side yards covered. Basically all around my house, so I get complete coverage. Mounting takes maybe 5 minutes each. No wiring, no drilling through walls, no junction boxes. The 5-watt solar panel is fully adjustable, and you can mount it attached or detached using the included extension cord. And the 10,000 mAh battery means you basically never have to touch these again. Super simple. Just twist and lock it in place. And then plug in the solar panel. The back has weatherproof gaskets you can pop open. This one is the USB Type-C for charging in the solar panel. And this one is how you'd actually turn the camera on and off. Once everything is mounted, you sync each camera to the HomeBase. The app shows you all 4 cameras at once on a simple quad view layout. You can tap into any view instantly, pan, tilt, zoom, or check notifications. The system runs on a 2.4 gigahertz and it stays connected everywhere around my property. The HomeBase stores your recordings locally, 32 gigabytes included, expandable all the way to 16 terabytes. So there are no subscriptions and no reoccurring monthly fees. That's huge. The cameras record in 8 megapixel 4K Ultra HD, and it really shows. During the day, you can clearly see faces, clothing, license plates. Everything is clean and crisp. At night, you get both infrared night vision and full color night vision, depending on your settings. I'll let this footage speak for itself. This is where the BOTSLAB system stands out. There are 3 really cool features that you should turn on in the app. It's in the AI lab section in the app. Intelligent notification, intelligent alarm, intelligent search. Let me show you each one. Intelligent notification. When someone approaches the house, you don't just get motion detected. You get a detailed natural language description like, a man in a black hoodie is walking near the driveway, or a man in a red sweater is walking his dog. An Amazon courier wearing a yellow vest is delivering a package, or FedEx delivery is here. It gives you instant context without watching the video. This is next level. Number 2 is intelligent alarm. This feature lets the camera speak directly to whoever is there. So if someone walks into a restricted area, it can automatically say something like, Man in black shirt, you are being recorded. Step away from the car. It's loud, it's attention grabbing, and honestly, it's a great deterrent. Number 3 is intelligent search. This one is wild. You can search for anything using natural keywords like white truck, kid's bicycle, dog, delivery man, and the system pulls up every relevant clip in about a second. No scrolling through hours of footage, no guessing. This alone saves a ton of time. Auto tracking and 360 coverage. Each camera has a full 360-degree pan-tilt coverage. If I walk across the yard, it follows me. If a car drives by, it tracks it. If my dog runs past, it keeps up with it. 0 blind spots. Cross-camera tracking. Thanks to the HomeBase hub, the system can track you from camera to camera. So if I start in a driveway, walk through the gate, and then enter the backyard, the system links all those clips automatically. It feels like having a full smart surveillance network instead of having 4 separate cameras. Battery and solar performance. These solar panels recharge the battery throughout the whole day. Even after a full week of testing, the battery is still good, and it's been really cloudy and rainy. If you get sunlight, this system is basically self-sustaining. Who the system is for? If you're a homeowner who wants 4K clarity, smart AI detection, true 360-degree coverage, multiple cameras in one app, local storage, no monthly fees, and super easy installation, this system checks all the boxes. It's perfect for DIY users, eco-friendly homes, smart home setups, or anyone upgrading from older wired systems. Okay, so final thoughts. The BOTSLAB 4K solar security camera kit surprised me in all the right ways. The image quality is excellent, the solar panel works as advertised, the local storage saves money long-term, and the AI features, especially notifications and search, really put the system ahead of the pack. If you want a reliable home protection without complicated wiring or subscriptions, the BOTSLAB 4K solar camera kit is absolutely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and I'll drop the link below if you want to go check it out.